Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit Architecture. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and today I am going to discuss about room tags in Revit Architecture. So room tags are the basically rooms which is created along four sides of any walls and floors and ceiling, and you can find room tags in your ribbon panel here. In rooms and area you can find here rooms and room separator and tag room. So we will discuss today in this tutorial, and in next video tutorial we discuss about area. So if we will go and select this room, so as soon as I am bringing it in our model space, you can see it is not selecting any space, but as soon as you are bringing inside any space, four sides of walls, it is automatically selecting this space of like cabin. So I am going to click once here and next here, and likewise you can select, but you have to make sure that your room bounding in wall properties is selected. You can see the changes here. If I am going to select this wall and I am going to my properties here, and I am going to this room bounding, and you should make sure that it is checked. If it's unchecked, what will happen? I am going to apply and it will give some warning here. I am going to click OK, and now if you go to architecture tab and I will click room, you can see it is selecting whole space of wall. It is not bounding the space of office cabins. So you should make sure that this wall bounding properties is checked here. So I am going to select again this wall, and I will go to room bounding and I will check it again. So after this, Control Z, and now I will start again. So you are always required to make sure that this room bounding is on in your walls. So I am going to select a room and I will place here. You can see room 1, room 2, room 3, and likewise you can select your spaces wherever you want to show your areas. I am going to select this space, this cabin space also, in the toilet areas, and it is marked with corridors also. I will select, and it depends on your project, and I will leave this soft like this. Now you can see these all are the same name of room, so you can change. After this, you can click once, and I will name this at CEO office, and then I will name this at director. This is as associate director. Likewise, you are required to create names for your space. This one will be like manager. This one is assistant manager, and this one we can name it a conference room. And this is toilet areas for ladies, so I will name it as wash basin area, and I will name this as T1, this one as T2, this one as T3, T4, and this is, you can name it as gents toilet. this we can name as corridor 2, and can name this as ladies toilet also. I will name this as ladies. So you can name this as reception area. And this you can name as production team or workspaces here. You can rename this as team lead. So this is the office space which we have renamed. So now after this you are required to fill color legends in this. So what I will do, I will go to my annotate tab, and you can see this color fill symbol here. So I will click this once, and now I will bring my cursor in my model space, and you can see there no color scheme assigned to view. So you are not required to worry about this. I am going to click this once, and now it is asking choose a space type and color scheme. So my space type is rooms, so I will select rooms. And color scheme, so if you are creating according to department, you can name it as department, but I will select as per name. So I have renamed this, so I will select name here, and I will go and click OK. And you can see beautiful legend is created according to color scheme, and you can see these all are created. So if you want to change the color also, you can do this, but I want to separate this space because this workspace I want to create another team here. So I want to rename this. So if you want to change your drawing also, you can do this. I am going to my architecture tab, and now I will select this room separator here, and now it will ask to draw your room separator space. I want to separate this space from this space, so I will go and select this line, and I will draw this separation, and you can see that this space is separated here. And now we'll go to your room, and you can see this is another space created here, and I will rename this as production team. Rename anything. You can see this space is separated from this space, and if you go to your rooms and area and volume area only faster, so it will, you can check the area also from here. You will select this, see this area here 1170 square feet. So this is separated from this. So every time you are required to make your area, you can check it from here. So after this, if you want to change as your own customized color, you can do this from room legend. I am going to select this, and you can go to this edit scheme and select this, and now I will select my color assistant manager. So I am going to give this some different color, and assistant director also you can change this color RGB. I am going to give this blue this time, and I will make light color. You can make darker also. And this one is as green, and I will make it this one so light color. Likewise you can do for every space if you have created. yellow color. So I will make it darker so that you can understand. Some darker colors also. So likewise you have to make this. Now I am going to apply this. Okay, and you can see this color scheme is changed. So I don't like darker colors, so you can change it later on. Even if you want to change the material fill pattern, you can change it from here. So I am going to my assistant manager. So I want some wood color, wood finish. So I will go and select wood finish. I'll go and apply this, and you can see in assistant manager this is our fill pattern. So you can use this also for your spaces. So after this you can do some more settings here in your remaining things, and likewise you can work in your areas. Suppose if you don't want to show your room tags in this area, so you can simply select this any names here, name tags, and you can right click here and you can go to hide in view, and you can go to select this category. So it will turn it off in all spaces, and you can refer this room legend to present to your clients. Suppose if you want to view your area and volume also, so I will go and select my space here, tag room spaces, and I will go to edit type, and now I will go to select show volume, show number, room number, and it is checked here. You can see these are the room numbers. If you want to see area also, you can click show area, and leader arrowhead also you can select arrow 30 degree arrow field. So we will understand this. So I am going to select show area. I will go and apply, and you can see area is also shown here, 348 square feet, 342 square feet. Likewise you can check in every space. And if you want to show volume also, you can go to edit type, and you can check this show volume, you can apply, and it will show volume also, and it is not computed here. So it is I will make you understand later on. So you can show volume also in this, and I will go to edit type, and I will uncheck show volume and show area, and you can go to leader arrowhead. So I am going to select arrow 30 degree. So this was the tutorial about today's session, and in the next video tutorial I will discuss about area in Revit Architecture. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.